fifth, sixth, junior high school, 3 years.
3 years.
Senior high school, 3 years.
3 years.
So 8 years.
8 years.
of
That's a
learning
lot of time.
English, but I didn't speak English. Answering your question, actually, English will not be that hard if you said before persistent in learning.
Persistent.
Yes,
Never stop learning.
of course, every
Okay.
single day. Mostly in this current situation, we had a sophisticated technology, internet, YouTube, smartphone, Google, anything.
Okay.
When we would like to know the meaning of the word, we don't need to open a thick dictionary.
Oh
right?
yeah.
We
I
just-
still experience that anyway.
Yes, at that time,
yeah.
me too. Yeah, but now just by using a small gadget, something like that, it will save our life.
Okay. So if I can say in the short, briefly,
Mm-hmm.
the first is the principle of having persistence.
Of
or
course.
strong commitment.
Yes,
Okay.
that's correct.
Commitment
That's
and
correct.
persistent.
Mhm.
Noted. All right.
Number one.
Okay. All right. And then there are still some other questions, by the way.
Okay.
Okay. All right. About commitment and persistence.
Mm-hmm.
There is also this kind of questions. For instance, I have studied or I have learned English
Mm-hmm.
many years, over and over, but
Okay.
then it seems to me that I'm never capable of speaking in English.
Okay.
Jadi sudah belajar
Mhm.
bertahun-tahun. I don't know whether it's a lie or the truth,
Oh,
but that's what they
yes.
say.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So, okay, what do you think about that case?
I had that experience as
Mm.
well for my personal life.
Mm.
If I'm not mistaken, I had the experience, my first experience. I mean, when I was in 5th grade, elementary school,
Oh, wow.
I learned English.
That's amazing.
Years by years
Uh-huh.
after graduate from high school, I didn't speak English at all. At
okay.
all, I didn't speak English. I wondering why I didn't speak English at that time. If I try to calculate my time, 5th, 6th, junior high school, 3 years.
3 years.
Senior high school, 3 years.
3 years.
So 8 years.
8 years.
of
That's a
learning
lot of time.
English, but I didn't speak English. Maybe some of friends out there, or your student, my student, they had this experience as well.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
So,
it is a hard question to be answered.
so okay. Finally,
Mhm.
I think that's the statement in which many people are on the same boat, learning
Mhm.
language
Yes,
for over
yes,
than
yes.
5 years, but then
Mhm.
turns out they got nothing. But
Mhm.
then, after all,
Mhm.
at last,
Yes.
you're able to speak English. So
Mhm.
how?
Yeah. Maybe, or
Mm.
perhaps, because I also graduate from the Indonesian school. Maybe our friend out there also graduate from Indonesian school, or they are still in school. The problem is maybe, maybe not all our teacher didn't speak English,
Oh, okay.
or we learn English from a textbook.
Okay.
We read something, we answer the question on the books, and collect it to the teacher. The teacher give you a score or mark. You get 8, you get 9, you get 0.
Okay, but
Just something like that.
never having an active experience. Also, that's one of the probabilities of why students can't speak English.
Yes.
Okay, but
Mhm.
my question actually was how actually finally you
Yes,
are active in using the English.
Okay. I tried to read
Mm.
several resources, books, articles, something like that.
And practice
English,
it?
yes, language, mostly English is a communication, right? If we would like to communicate with someone else, of course we need to talk, not to read a book, not answering a question,
Okay.
not to learn answering the
Uh.
question, not to learn finishing the final test to get the certificate of graduation, something like that. The problem, I think, that's we rarely practice our English speaking. Yes, we learn English, but the question is, do we learn to speak English?
Okay.
Yeah, that's the question that you guys at home or out there need to answer by yourself.
Okay.
Ask by yourself, do you learn to speak English, or you just learn English? That's two different things.
So it means if you are learned to answer the question, you are going to good at it. But then if you want to speak, how to speak, if you want to learn how to speak, then speak. Use the language.
Yeah.
It depends on the purpose of learning. Is it just simply to prepare the test? Is it for speaking or whatever? I mean, everybody probably has their own purpose.
Yes, yes.